Researchers estimate 1,000 tons of plastic fragments fall every year in the remote, protected lands of the American West. That's equivalent to as much as 300 million plastic bottles.
Honestly, I was surprised at every juncture in this research. It was very surprising to me to begin with to see plastics in our samples. Then once we generated a little more than a year's worth of data and started to look at the total deposition rates, those numbers were just enormous.
The team from Utah State University collected 339 samples from 11 national parks and wilderness areas. They found tiny bits of plastic in nearly all of them. They tested in dry conditions as well as rain and snow. They believe plastic found in wet weather came from relatively nearby, while plastics falling on a dry day traveled longer distances.
If a rainstorm passed through a city before it hit our site, it tended to have significantly more plastic in it than if the rainstorm did not pass over an urban center.
They were also able to track the origin of some of the microplastics.
Most of them were of polymer types that are associated with clothing, like nylon and polyester.
The researchers would now like to discover how the plastic moves through the atmosphere and how it affects human health and the environment.